This week in the Parashat, we start talking about the rules and regulations in Jewish society. Last week we had Yitro, we had the Ten Commandments. Great things are happening, amazing things. Big mitzvot that we all talk about all the time. Anochi Hashem Elokecha, you must respect your parents, don't steal, don't murder. We always see it as the pillars of the Jewish society, the Ten Commandments. And suddenly we reach a parasha that starts getting into all the nitty-gritty of the Jewish society. If I have an ox and he goes into your field, how much do I pay you? If I hurt you, what do I owe you? If I any little detail about shomrim, about anything that I have that happens, is in the Parashat Mishpatim, talking about all the little details. And the question is, why did we have two separate parashot? One about the great and most important and more sourceful mitzvot that we have in Judaism, and on the other hand, we have the little details and little nitty-gritty of all the mitzvot. So, if I'm not mistaken, the Rashal here speaks about it, and he points out this point, and he asks the question, and then he gives an amazing answer. He says, the whole idea of Judaism is, on one hand, seeing the big inspiration and the big spirituality that we have, but bringing it into our everyday life. Meaning, in every single detail, we can find God. Many times today, in this generation, everyone is looking for spirituality. We're looking for a moving experience of spirituality. So we go to India, we go to different places, we learn Kabbalah, we go into all these amazing things, but what stays with us the next day? We wake up in the morning, is it still there? The Torah, this unbelievable wisdom, comes and teaches us, no. It's not only these huge experiences, seeing the voices, the mountain is filled with smoke, and God is speaking and all that. It's not only the experience. It's also the everyday life that we have to experience God. It's waking up in the morning and taking that breath. We have a pasuk in Tehillim that says, Kol ha-neshama ta'aleliya alleluya. Every soul should bless God every single day. The Talmud comes and teaches us, Kol ha-neshama, change the word neshama to neshima, to breathing. Every single breath we take, we have to say, thank you, God. If we bring it into our everyday lives, and all the details, and all the small things, if we can find God, if we find that stability between the great experiences and the everyday, we will find the true balance to find God in our lives. Shabbat Shalom.